Rain and Lee Hyori discussed being in the spotlight, with Rain admitting he enjoys when people show interest in his work. When I watch my drama, I do other things when I'm not in the scenes that are being aired then. It's our nature, it seems. We just enjoy people focusing on us, he added. Hyori jokingly expressed sadness about receiving less attention compared to Rain. Rain lightened the mood by mentioning his daughters pay attention to him, while the host joked that her dogs are the ones who pay attention to her.